everyone. My name is Teng and I'm from Kids Public Speaking Bangsa. This year I am 10 years old and I'm pleased to share this story with you. The Woodman and the Axe. Long ago, there lived a woodcutter in a small village. He was sincere in his work and very honest. Every day he set out to nearby forests to cut some trees. He brought the wood back and sold them out to a merchant to earn his money. He earned just about enough to make a living, but he was too satisfied in simple living. One day, while cutting a tree near a river, his axe slipped out of his hand and fell into the river. He had only one axe, was gone in the river. The river was so deep he could not even think to retrieve it on his own. He became very worried, thinking how he would be able to earn his living now. He prayed to the goddess. He prayed so sincerely, the goddess appeared in front of him and asked, "What's the problem, my son?" The woodcutter explained the problem and requested the god to get his axe back. The goddess put her hand deep into the water again, took out a silver axe and asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "No." So the goddess put her hand deep into the water again and took out a golden axe and asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "No." The goddess replied, "Are you sure this is not yours? This is a very valuable golden axe." The woodcutter said, "No, this is not mine. I can't cut trees with a golden axe. It's not useful for me." The goddess smiled and finally put her hand deep into the water again and took out his iron axe and asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "Yes, this is mine. Thank you." The goddess was very impressed with his honesty, so she gave him his iron axe and the two other axes as a reward for his honesty. Moral of the story: always be honest. Honesty is always rewarded.